Stephanie? Oh, that's pretty over there. There's actually, there's a marker there for somebody. Honey, what are we doing?
Walking around Chimayo.
Come over here. I need to talk to you about it. Oh, there's water down there. There's a log. There's some people over there. Where are we at?
At Chimayo.
What? Well, Chimayo what?
Santuario.
Santuario? De Chimayo?
Yeah.
Oh.
The
Where's
place
that?
where we're going to be pilgriming.
This is where we're going to walk. We decided to like drive and make a little trek over here to plot our course.
Kind of see where we're going to be camping on the road.
There's a lot of cool stuff over there. Some crosses. Gone but not forgotten. I love you.
I love you.
Come over here and kiss me. Do you still love me?
Yes.
Just
We
making
love
sure.
y'all.
Love you all.
Beep.